On morning side, got no stick in the ride. If I take
the lady texts me, "Hey love." Y'all already know what that means.
They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit over Dolly, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap.
Good morning. It is currently Friday. Your girl, no, it's not Friday. It's Thursday. Your girl is at her hair appointment. Y'all, the trials and tribulations I went through with this lady, like, she was not getting back to me. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, I was gonna show up anyway though, because you know what I'm saying, like, but I actually think that's her right now. I just want to put something in my hair because I've just been tired of doing my hair, my own hair every time. Like, if you know, you know. My hair is very thick and it's just a lot. Every day I get up, I'm just like, damn. Like, I'm grateful for my hair, but sometimes it's like I need to just put some braids in my head, bro. So I'll see you guys when I get in there. Y'all will not believe what just happened. Why I get here and I'm literally walking up to the door, the lady texts me, "Hey love." Y'all already know what that means. Hold on, babe.
You made it?
No, I didn't. Like, ma'am, I'm here. Like, I'm actually on time. Rare sight. I'm gonna read out the text for y'all. "Are you able to come tomorrow at 6:30? I'll take $30 off for the inconvenience, especially since you already drove there." Mind you, if I'm not mistaken, I just seen her walk inside the building. If I'm not mistaken, though, that's her. I'm not sure if it's her, but I think it is her. But it might not be her. I mean, I don't know. But I do think it's her, though. But then again, like, it's an extra $30 that I can need to save. I can decide to go to, oh my gosh, I can buy the new minimal sports bra from Gymshark. Hello? I'm just gonna do a small iced matcha latte. With,
I'm sorry, let me just cut you off, but you said matcha and I don't have no matcha.
oh, I know, a jump scare. Your girl is on her way to her hair appointment once again. Fingers crossed, and I pray that everything works out.
on morning side, got no stick in the ride. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces, cause the feds can't see those eyes. People I shouldn't be beside. When I was an actor, they would go Stratford just to sell food on Bieber's side. Plenty reasons why I'm this way, my girl, that's just one reason why. I seen you around that Soto with Dump Man, baby. You love all some idiot guys, obedient guys, jokers and comedian guys. You know I'm like 6'2" and a right shoe love, but you love all some medium guys. I wanna keep you on the beach till 6 a.m. so you see sunrise. Seeing you from the stage in the 100s, these must be eagle eyes. Pressing against me, think about entry.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely like them, right?
I don't know which African queen had these, but somebody had them back in the day. One of my ancestors. Forehead definitely gonna be popping for the next few days. I'll grow into it.
Yeah, let that forehead shine, man.
Good morning. I have an appointment at 9:30 a.m. to get these bad boys done, so come along with me.
And I felt like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. Girls, and we be playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way it can be killing shit got me yelling out.
So your girl is back home. As you guys can see, I got my nails done, but I'm about to just get into these lashes really quick. So for the past couple months, I've actually been getting my lashes professionally done, but I really needed a break, y'all, because I was just getting it done back to back to back. Like, it was time for my lashes to breathe. So I'm gonna do my own lashes, but I'm not gonna do like the individuals. I'm just gonna kind of do like the clusters. So let me get right into that and show you the brand that I got. So I typically use the Baileyne brand, but my sister had got these and I decided to do some research on TikTok. It is the Haigu DIY lash extension kit. I think it comes with the glue, the tweezers. It literally comes with it all. And what I like about this is it's kind of like a regular individual lash set where it comes with like different lengths. If you wanted to do like a cat eye or a wispy set, like, love that. So I'm gonna test it out. I hope that everything goes well. It says to curl my natural lashes with eyelash curler. I don't have that. Does it come with it? I'm gonna start out with 14s because I am more of a natural girly. I damn near want it to look like I don't even got nothing on. Like, I want people to be like, oh my gosh, like your natural lashes are so long. And I'll be like, yeah. Oh hell. Like, what? Y'all can't tell me I ain't just get a fresh hybrid set. Like, I think that's all I need for now. I'm gonna just do the other eye and I'll be right back. So now that your girl is done with her lashes, I'm about to just wax my eyebrows really quick, which you guys have seen time and time again on my channel.
I touch my back, but you good. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my good. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you good. I look fly, I look too good.
Alright y'all, so your girl is finally done with the face. That pretty much brings us to the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
People I shouldn't be beside. When I was an actor, they would go Stratford just to sell food on Bieber's side. Plenty reasons why I'm this way, my girl, that's just one reason why. I seen you around at Soto enough, man, baby. You love all some idiot guys, obedient guys, jokers and comedian guys. You know I'm like 6'2" and I write shoe love, but you love all some medium guys. I wanna keep you on the beach till 6 a.m. so you see sunrise. Seeing you from the stage in the 100s, these must be eagle eyes. Pressing against me, thinking about entry, know you could tell us a